This meditation strengthens your discipline as a trader. By visualizing disciplined trading and reinforcing positive self-talk, you will build the mindset to follow your strategy consistently. Cultivating discipline in a relaxed state helps make it second nature when you're in the heat of trading. Sit comfortably and close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the air filling your lungs. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Allow your body to relax from head to toe. Feel a sense of resolve forming as you set the intention to cultivate discipline. Now visualize yourself in your trading routine. See yourself reviewing your trading plan at the start of the day, clear about the rules and strategies you will follow. There's a calm determination in your mind to stick to these guidelines, no matter what happens in the market. Imagine the trading day unfolding. Perhaps the market offers a tempting but subpar opportunity, a setup that doesn't quite meet your criteria. You notice a flicker of impulse, a voice in your head urging, maybe this one will work. You should jump in. Acknowledge that temptation and then watch as you take a slow breath and let the impulse dissipate. You remind yourself of your plan and the importance of waiting for a true high-quality trade. See yourself acting with discipline. You choose patience over impulse. The questionable setup passes by and you feel content that you did not stray. Shortly after, a genuine, well-aligned trade setup appears, one that does fit your trading plan. Because you stayed disciplined, you're ready for it. You execute the trade according to your rules, entering at the planned price, setting your stop loss and target as per your strategy. You manage the trade calmly, neither deviating nor second-guessing your decisions. Notice the sense of empowerment that comes from this behavior. By following your rules, you are in control of your trading rather than being controlled by emotions or hasty reactions. Feel the confidence that arises when you honor your plan. Even if some trades are losses and others wins, you carry them out according to your strategy. Like a steady captain steering the ship by the compass instead of the wind. This consistency gives you a deep feeling of stability. Now, in your mind, repeat these affirmations silently, aligning them with your breath. I am a disciplined trader. I follow my trading plan. I am patient and consistent. As you say these words to yourself, feel their truth resonating. Each time you inhale, imagine drawing in strength and focus. Each time you exhale, imagine letting go of doubt or temptation. You might picture future you, a trader who, through many days of practiced discipline, has achieved steady success. See how this future version of you behaves, calm, methodical, trusting in the process. This is the person you are becoming with each disciplined choice. Feel a sense of pride and motivation building in you. Take another deep breath and notice how grounded you feel. You have exercised your discipline muscle in your mind. And just like training the body, this mental exercise makes you stronger, When you are ready, open your eyes. Carry the conviction that discipline is your edge. In your next trading session, when a challenging moment arises, you will remember this meditation. You will pause, breathe, and choose to do the right thing for your trading plan, knowing that true success is built on consistent, disciplined action.